Hey guys, in this video we are going to edit our funnel. So first, after you import, you can click on this piece of funnel. In here you can remove the 4 pages here. It plays no role at all, right? So just remove it. Then click on the piece of Facebook here, and after that click on edit page. Now in here you can change your picture. Just click on that one, and here you will see the image file. You can upload your profile picture in here, and you can change the image size right here, bigger or smaller, it depends on you. Okay, and then for your name you can just click on that and change. You can change the size of the text as well, the font size here. Just change it bigger or smaller, and I keep it 30. Also for this text button, you can change anything in here. Just click on that, delete, right? Or you can add anything. Also for these below, if you have more bonuses, you can add in here. And finally, the most important part is to change your affiliate link. So simply click on this Get Access Now button. Click on that one. And now you will see, do you want to redirect users after contact registration? Actually, there's one more part where we will send email autoresponder to our lead, but I'm not doing it now yet because we just focus on promote our link first with our bonus. I will share with you that later. Okay, and now you see in here you can click on the drop down button and you choose to a custom URL, and after that you will put your redirection URL. Here is your affiliate link. To get this affiliate link, you need to go back to your OLSP system, and you see your OLSP system mega ID is right, and then you copy this link, or you can just click on copy here, go back, and you put it in here, and after that make sure you hit save changes. Okay, hit save changes, and then you can click out because I don't want to change anything here, so I would choose no, but you need to change. Okay, and you have to click on yes. And now you need to connect your funnel with your domain. As I shared before, you can click on funnel setting and you choose your funnel domain right here. Okay, so that's it. It's pretty simple. You can get your funnel up and running. If you have any questions, feel free to DM me on my Facebook. And this is Sydney from hithanhdotcom, and bye bye.